Taiwan accused China of exaggeration on Tuesday after the Chinese military published footage of the strategically located Penghu Islands, where there is a major Taiwanese air base, saying it was not true Chinese forces had come near the islands. China, which claims Taiwan as its territory, has carried out military exercises around the island this month after a visit by U.S. House of Representatives Speaker Nancy Pelosi, who was followed by 5 U.S. lawmakers on Sunday and Monday. China used the exaggerated tricks of cognitive warfare to show how close it was to Penghu, which is not true, Taiwan Air Force Vice Chief of Staff for Operations said. Tung said that Taiwan had a real-time grasp of what was going on in the skies, and that Chinese aircraft had been operating to the north and southwest of Taiwan and across the median line. Taiwan's armed forces are well equipped but dwarfed by China's. The island's president had been overseeing a modernization program and has made increasing defense spending a priority.